we're now looking at count and also average. So with count, we can actually see how many of the items are within a certain filter. So if we filter into greater than 2, we'll see that we have 3. And I'll show you the Java version of it first, and then the Kotlin version of that. So first we would create a count of items. Create a mutable list of that, of an int. And we would take our mutable and then for each doing a for loop over our mutable list. And then if item is greater than 2, actually we don't need the count of items, we just need count. Zero, and then just do count plus plus. Every time there is something that's greater than 2, you're going to increase our count, and we have to make that mutable so we can change that. Let's do it the Kotlin way, the easier way. I'm just going to do mutable dot count, and we're going to put in our filter here, just like filter. We're going to do item greater than 2, and get our count of greater 2. And we can print that counts greater than 2 and delete all of that, and that's a lot easier than the just regular doing the for loop and doing that. The mutable.count is a lot easier than doing a for loop, creating our own variable of count and adding to that. We can just do it this way with count of 3. We also have another one called average. This only works on, ints and doubles and float lists. That this won't work for, objects. We can do average on that, and we will get the average of all these numbers. Now we have our average. And to do this same thing, we would have to create another for loop and then another variable and then pretty much calculate the average that way. Am I doing that, 5 or 6 lines of code? This is 1 line of code.